Two cars, a crowded merge, tempers flare, and metal meets metal. But this isn't just a fender bender. You'll see a merge gone wrong. A rapid escalation from roadside arguing to arrests, and officers juggling traffic law, safety, and a boiling crowd. Watch the small moves that make big consequences. No spoilers, just tension.
Was it these two cars?
Yeah.
What's that?
I don't know if he's getting transported, but he's kind of, I mean, she's a little fired up, but he was out walking around, I guess, ripped his door open, was kind of just saying, if you didn't have the kids in the car kind of thing. But he was saying that he's in a straight lane, the right-hand lane.
Yeah.
They were quarter panel coming into the merge, and so slowing down and going behind him, they tried speeding up, impacted his bumper.
Yeah.
And then when they were in front of him, they were ticked off, and then they brake checked him, and then that's where he got the other impact.
One of those.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's my registration and my insurance is right here. Okay, where's the damage to your vehicle? So he sideswiped the sidewalk, and we got rear-ended by a semi, and we're already in the works of that.
Okay.
And then he smashed into it again, which damaged this, put the freaking nasty-ass cut in our bumper and our fucking
You know where the lanes
hatch.
merge over there?
Yeah. Hold on. So, the first point of impact was where?
Right here.
Right here, on the side.
Oh. So where did he hit you at first? Back
Right
here?
there.
Yeah,
Yep.
first he sideswiped us.
Okay, so when he sideswipes you, you guys are continuing in motion forward, both of y'all?
Yeah, and then
Okay.
we went to go slow down because we're like, well, we need his insurance. He just fucking hit us.
Right.
And then so we go to slow down, and then boom!
Yeah, you hit us from 30 to 40.
Yeah, see you, buddy.
Like, it was a hard
Do you have
hit.
a driver's license?
No, I do not.
Do you have any information that I can get so I can put you on the report? Thank you so much. Appreciate that.
Yeah, of course. Thank you.
You should go to jail for reckless driving.
They were in the merge lane?
So, you know, right there, when you come into the other side, you begin to merge.
Yeah.
So, they're merging, and instead of him slowing down, because he's got the point of
They're right
impact
here
in the
talking to
front.
each other.
Yeah. He doesn't have to.
Huh?
He doesn't have to. So if you're ahead of me and I'm in the straight through lane, this is my lane. Anyway, you have to slow down and go behind me. There's no law that says I have to slow down and let you over. He has the right to keep going.
Okay.
So if they merged over and there was a connection,
They're going to be, okay.
Yeah.
So you're in the merge lane? You were in the merge lane?
Yeah, we were in the merge lane. We were getting in between these two vehicles, including him. And he decided it was a good idea to speed the fuck up. And then he totally sideswiped us.
Okay.
Yeah, so even with them jumping in front of them, jumping in front of him, hitting the brakes, that's unlawful use of brakes. You can't jump in front of someone because he has to have enough time to know that you're merging over. Basically, this damage even solidifies that they're at fault. You jumped in front of him, jammed your brakes, he hit you because he didn't have enough time. That means they probably sped up, cut him off, which is why she has that first impact by the rear wheel.
Okay.
Tactically, when one vehicle guns it into a merge and brakes suddenly, that's a classic cutoff plus brake check scenario. It creates unavoidable contact. Officers explain right of way clearly here. Audience question: would you have pulled over immediately or held position to de-escalate? Which is safer?
That just says that you merged over and you connected, which means you didn't have the room to come over.
Okay.
Even though the lane merges, the right lane still belongs to him.
Okay.
He has the right of way. The only time you don't have a right of way is when there's a sign that dictates you must do something.
Right.
If you're in a straight lane, there's nothing that says you have to slow down or let people over. Even when you put on a blinker is a request. It's not a mandate. So just because you put in lane, I mean, I have to let you over.
Gotcha.
You
Okay.
have to move over when I allow you over. And if I'm not allowing you to jump in front of me, that means you slow your ass down and get behind me.
Gotcha.
Which is what most people should do. But everybody wants to jump ahead of everybody.
Right.
So that's why you get accidents like this. So.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you just tell me what happened?
He decides, I guess, that he doesn't want to merge behind me.
Yeah.
So he just guns it. Like, I don't know what he expects me to do, but he just, like, you know, he's parallel with me and he just bumps me in the side, right? And then so I kind of slow down a little.
Yeah.
And he guns it and jumps in front of me.
Okay.
and it slams on his brakes, and then I rear end him.
Okay.
He immediately jumps out of the car and like starts coming at me. Like here's his he's like slammed his hand like. He's like
So the male half was driving, not the female.
I'm not sure who. Yeah, he was driving.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Well, actually, no. I'm not sure who was driving.
Quick question. So after you guys had the initial impact, what happened with the whole slamming on the brakes thing?
Well, we had to slow down so
Yeah.
that way we could get his insurance information. We didn't slam on the brakes. We were slowly.
Did he
slowing
impact
down.
you?
Oh
Like,
yeah.
okay.
Well, he fucking I almost hit the steering wheel, and he almost flew into the dash.
Okay.
That's how fucking hard it was. That's
I
why
mean,
we're
so like,
mad.
how soon did you get in front of him? Did you guys start slowing down?
So we didn't go in front of him. We were trying
Yeah.
to merge over.
Yeah.
And then he decided to step on the gas.
Okay.
Like I literally saw his rear end go up.
Okay.
And he went to go and try and pass us and squish us over and
Okay.
sideswiped us.
Oncoming traffic.
Yeah.
Okay. And you were driving, not this gentleman?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Midnight. Yeah.
All right, hang tight. Yeah, they're definitely gonna be at fault.
Okay.
I'll just stand by because their feet are bullshit right now.
I'm gonna give you that portion, and I'll
Okay.
take care of him, and then we'll move from there.
Okay.
Because they look like they're just gonna act out.
Yeah, I was trying to call the police.
You're fine. Don't worry about it.
Hey, boss, if you just want to sit in your car, you can turn the car on, just shut your door and just hang tight. It'll be a minute. Yeah, I got a feeling they're not gonna be happy.
No, they're not. They're really, really not. She's got progressive.
Huh?
She's got progressive.
Oh, I thought you said she's aggressive. I'm gonna say yes,
No.
she is.
Oh, she was. I was like,
Yeah.
12:13,
Yes.
26, 8:42 hours.
yes.
I was wanting to take a picture of their car, and
Sure.
I'm just afraid that guy's gonna.
Is the other officer still there?
I don't see anybody else but you.
He's right here.
Or, okay.
See where he's at. Yes.
Can I get a picture of his insurance?
You're gonna get all that information as soon as I'm done.
Okay.
As soon as I'm done. So let me go ahead and print these out.
All right, Miss Reeves. Okay.
Reyes.
Reyes, I'm sorry. So, unfortunately, you are going to be found at fault for the crash. All right. I know
Why?
you're from, give me Georgia. Generally, laws are the same everywhere. That's why you can go from here to Florida. Speed limit signs look the same. Field or yield signs look the same. Stop signs, all that such. So, in the state of Florida, if you're in a merge lane, someone's in the straight through lane, they have the right of way. Which means it doesn't matter that he sped up. You slow down and you get behind them. The fact that you sped up and crossed over.
We didn't speed up to cross over. We were
Okay.
staying the same speed. He's
What
the
did he
one.
say? You said
Okay.
he couldn't find the car?
No.
Oh, I
So
was like,
even if you
his
did
ass
that,
is gonna get beat.
you don't do that because I will arrest you.
Oh,
Next
yeah,
word out of
okay,
your
yeah.
mouth, better just be quiet.
Oh, I have freedom of speech.
No, that's a threat.
No, it's
That
not.
is a
No,
threat.
it's
I tell you
not.
what. Tell you what. Hold this. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
Nope.
You resist, you will get tased. I'm telling you that right now. Put your hands
No, I
behind.
haven't done nothing wrong.
2-5. Send me another unit.
Mama,
Put your
done
hands.
nothing wrong.
Put your hands behind your back. You're going to get
You're
tased.
skinny, bro. Stop.
Put your hands behind your back now.
Don't
Put
pull
your hands
tasers.
behind your back or you're going to get tased. I'm not going to give you another warning. Stop resisting.
Man, when you start, man, when you get
Stop
the fuck up,
resisting
do you
or you're
not
going to
know
get
who the
tased.
fuck we
Well,
work for?
do you
I don't
not
care.
know, dude, I will have your job.
What's your name and badge number?
What's your name and badge number, huh?
Turn around.
Huh?
What's your name and
Huh?
badge
Turn
Come on,
around.
come on, please do it, man.
Okay.
Please, man.
What's
I wish
your
you'd
name and
take off
badge
that badge,
number?
man.
Okay, stop moving.
I think I wish you would take off that
Okay.
badge, man.
And do
What
what?
is
I
your
think
name
Are
and
you
badge
threatening me?
No, I think I wish
Okay.
you would.
AJ.
Okay.
I wish you would take off that badge.
Shut up.
I wish you would.
What's your name and badge number?
On the table.
Oh, really?
Right now,
Really? That's
don't
a
wait, no
3-week
detain.
suspension, sir. Thank you very much for that.
I got you. I got you.
Yep. Ma'am, what's your name and badge number?
Lucas, 2031.
I didn't even stutter.
You just told me
No, I didn't. I hope you have that on recording. Oh, I do. Oh, I hope you do.
Okay.
Man, I wish you'd take off that goddamn belt, boy.
Keep threatening me. Another charge.
No, that ain't threat.
It's a
That ain't
freedom of
threat.
speech, sir.
It is not freedom of
Yes,
speech.
it
Yes,
is.
it is.
Go over there.
It is a
Go
First
over there.
Amendment right.
Go over there now. Go
What?
over.
Oh, watch. I'll
Am I
have his
being
name and
detained?
badge.
Go in my
Yeah,
car.
I'll
Let
have
me
his
know. Yes,
badge.
you are.
Oh,
Go in my
yeah, for
car.
what?
Give me the handcuffs. want me to place you under arrest?
For what?
You gotta step back. Get back.
Touch me one more time, and I'm gonna have your whole
You're
department.
so
Have a seat.
overwhelmed, my guy. You're so
Have
overwhelmed.
a seat.
That's it. That's it, Mama. We're calling the fucking lawyer.
Here you go.
I know. That's why I'm going back to the car, but I need my cigarette.
You're going to jail.
No,
You are being
I
placed
have-
under arrest.
I have money.
Turn around, but I don't care.
I have money. Are you
I'm gonna give him 1033.
thousands of signatures in that fucking car?
I'll be 51
No, he's not. Mama.
Put your hands behind your back.
Mama.
Put your hands behind your
Different
back.
audience, 11 Alpha, 1033 for 2513 until I can advise at airport.
for
Oh, dear,
resistance.
no cars.
I'm going for
2-5, they're
resistance.
calling you.
You cannot.
Give me your
That
phone.
is my property.
He's obtaining the second white female.
What?
Step back. Get back.
You better let my kids go. Well, 3 to. Is he 10-4?
He's 10-4, sir.
I got another unit around me. Airport police coming to you as long as 1213 and 103.
Kids, go! I've been on the phone. I have heard everything.
They're both going.
You better let them go.
Back in your case, car.
Let's say bring your lead traffic.
So the driver, or the passenger that's in my car, starts threatening the passenger over here, or the driver of this car.
Yeah.
So I say, hey man, you can't make a threat right in front of me. All right, so now you're gonna go to jail for threatening him. Go to put him in handcuffs. He resists, then starts threatening me, telling me he'll beat my ass if the badge comes off. Okay, so now you're both gonna go. Detaining him, putting him in the car. She reaches in, tries to get a cigarette, tell her to get back. She reaches in twice. Now she's going for resisting. Let me get a female unit, and then we'll do that.
Let my children go.
I know who's on the phone, but I'm hanging up.
I've been on the phone the entire time, heard everything. Let my kids go.
And I'll do that tow real quick for you.
Okay.
That's going to be vehicle 1.
She's got a dog in the car. We'll give it to the pound.
Okay.
All right. Your dog's going to the Seminole County Pound. All right. Your car is going to be towed, and you are going to jail for resisting. You have any questions?
I will have
Okay.
your dog.
Have a day. No, not when you threaten me.
Dude, I didn't even threaten you, bro.
Okay.
I'm gonna have your badge.
Okay.
That's on everything, man. I'm gonna have your badge. Where's your supervisor? Can I speak to your supervisor?
Nope. You cannot. You're an arrestee. You don't have the right.
Bet.
You can call him when you get out of jail.
You're gonna lose your job over this, bro. You know how I work for her?
I don't care. You could work for the President of the United States. I don't care. I know where you're going right now.
Bottom line, the merge decision, sudden acceleration, and threats after the crash turned a civil exchange into criminal charges. Lesson, stay behind, document, and avoid confrontation. If this breakdown gripped you, hit like, drop your take below, and subscribe for more real-world body cam analysis.